This is the world of John Donne, in which power, money, position, or materialistic things cannot bring happiness. To live a happy and peaceful life, what all the poet needs is love of his beloved. And he is saying to the world, two people who are in love shouldn't be disturbed or judged. He almost shouts at the world, don't you have something better to do? Go and live your life and leave us alone. These beautiful lines are taken from the poem Canonization, written by John Donne, a metaphysical poet. Let me read it out. Alas, alas, who is injured by my love? What merchant seeps have my sighs drawn? Who says my tears have overflowed his ground? When did my cold a forward spring remove? When did the hit which my veins feel add one more man to plague bill? Soldiers find war, and lawyers find out still litigious men, which quarrels move, though she and I do love. In these lines, poet is presenting his sorrow, agitation in front of the world. He is saying that, alas, alas, who is injured by my love? The poet is saying my love is very pure and it can't bring anything sorrowful. So the pure love, it can't injure anything. The poet is asking with the world, if me and my beloved is making love, who is going to injured by this serene activity? He's saying that when at the time of making love, when he is taking deep breath, with that deep breath, each any merchant is going to destruct or destroy their sheep. Each their breath, deep breath has that much power that the sheep of the merchant can be drawn. This thing can't happen. This is not happening. This is not real. So the poet is putting question in front of world, why you are always interfere in case of love. When me and my beloved are in love, why not you are letting us to do love according to us, and why always you are putting some nonsense or some questions in front of us? Sometime when we are passing with the difficult phase, or me and my beloved are far apart, or due to some dispute between us, sometime we used to cry, but it's okay. With our that cry, anyone ground is going to be flooded, isn't it, right? Our cries is ours. Let it be to ours. Why you are making questions when we are crying? Why always, each and every time when we are making love, when we are crying, you are always to put questions? Did it make any sense? No. The poet is again saying that sometimes their love is passing through some difficult phases. We can say it when the time is not exactly suitable. The poet is saying it as a cold time. So is their cold has that much power that it bring one spring season move ahead? No. Still they are passing through the difficult time. The flower is bloom, the spring is here, the butterfly is chirping. So it's okay. They are passing through the difficult time, but the difficult time is for them only. So if it is not going to disturb you in any way, why all time you are putting questions? Why all time you are disturbing us? The poet says in the next line that at the time of making love, of course they are feeling hot, or of course the situation is a little change for them. That it can cause disease to the life of others, is it? The poet is putting his views in very exaggerated way. He is using some metaphor here. The cold, the plague, the merchant sheep, all are the metaphors which poet is using to present himself in clear way. So the ultimate thing which the poet want to say, there is nothing to change in the world with our love. There is nothing to be destroyed by our love. There is nothing to be get benefited by our love. Our love is between the two people, so let it between the two people. Why all the world are indulging into it? Soldiers are still fighting, they are still having war with the different country or with the different region. Still the lawyers are getting litigious men who are quarreling, they are getting the cases in the court. So there is nothing going to change. So the thing is that he is requesting, he is shouting at the world and saying that let me and my beloved to be together and let us love. These are few new vocabs which we learned from these lines. Tell me in the comment box the meaning of these vocabs, and if you already know about it, frame a sentence from these vocabs. We'll meet soon. Bye bye.